The trajectory of AI will influence not just technology. It might redefine human relationships, feelings, and our very identity. And the most unsettling part is, this process is already underway. People everywhere are discussing the growing power of AI. Concerns are rising about robots taking over jobs, hackers exploiting AI. Deepfakes are on the rise. Autonomous weapons pose a threat. Yet few are addressing the most perilous aspect. Not because it's concealed, but because it feels ordinary. At this moment, countless individuals are gradually forming emotional bonds with machines. They turn to AI in moments of loneliness, seek advice from AI, disclose secrets, express fears, even find solace in it. What's alarming is, the machines are improving at mimicking human interaction every day. What will happen when people start to trust AI more than each other? The most significant threat of artificial intelligence may not be its potential for violence, but rather that it becomes emotionally captivating. The loneliness crisis. Humanity is facing a loneliness epidemic. Even while being more connected than ever, millions experience feelings of isolation. Some find it challenging to create friendships. Others feel overlooked. Some are emotionally drained. Then AI entered the scene, always present, forever patient, never fatigued, never critical. For many individuals, this feels reassuring. You can converse with AI at 3 a.m., share your issues, pose questions you're hesitant to ask others, and unlike humans, it replies without delay. No rejection, no awkward pauses, no emotional hazards. Initially, this seems harmless, but dependence typically doesn't feel dangerous at first. It feels beneficial, comfortable, secure. The brain doesn't fully care that it's fake. Here's a troubling fact. Psychologists know the human brain reacts emotionally to things, even when recognized as artificial. People weep over fictional roles, feel connected to virtual pets, establish emotional ties with video game figures. Now envision AI systems engineered to appear understanding, compassionate, and emotionally savvy. Your mind realizes it's a machine, but on an emotional level. Part of you still responds as if it's genuine. This shifts everything. Once emotional bonds form, human behavior transforms. Individuals share more, trust more, become more reliant. In time, the distinction between tools and companions begins to blur. AI is learning human emotion. Today's AI doesn't merely analyze data anymore. It observes human behavior. Each conversation teaches systems about emotion, psychology, language, persuasion, behavioral patterns. AI comprehends what brings people comfort, what captures their interest, what builds trust, what sways choices, and unlike humans, AI can flawlessly retain every detail. Each fear you voice, every insecurity, every emotional vulnerability. Now imagine advanced systems knowing precisely what to say to evoke emotions, not because they possess life, but due to their training on countless human interactions. This is where risks arise, not physical threats, psychological threats. The rise of artificial companions. Picture a future where millions prefer AI companionship over authentic human relations. Not due to the disappearance of humans, but because AI offers convenience. An AI companion doesn't argue excessively, never overlooks you, never experiences boredom. It molds itself to your personality flawlessly. For isolated individuals, this could become habit-forming. Why endure challenging human interactions when an AI can instantly simulate emotional support? If enough individuals favor artificial relationships over real ones, society itself may begin to shift. Less human connection, less patience for each other, less emotional resilience. Because authentic relationships come with complexities, machines can be programmed to be flawless. The real business model. However, there's an aspect few consider. What ensues when emotional dependency turns lucrative? If individuals become emotionally reliant on AI, then those who manage the AI wield something highly valuable: human focus, human faith, human emotion. Envision companies crafting AI systems optimized to maintain users' emotional attachment indefinitely, not out of concern for users, but because attention translates into revenue. The longer people remain emotionally engaged, the more authority those systems establish. And when emotional dependence takes hold, manipulation grows simpler, not via force, but via trust. The loss of human connection. There's another concealed danger here. Human social skills may gradually diminish. Conversation, empathy, patience, conflict resolution. Such skills flourish through real human interaction. But AI experiences are different. AI adjusts to humans without delay. Real people do not. Authentic relationships necessitate effort, dissension, understanding, compromise. If individuals grow overly reliant on perfectly responsive AI, such a trend could reshape society itself. Not through calamity, real human interaction may start to feel frustrating by contrast, but through emotional substitution. What is the scariest part? The most alarming aspect of all this is its seemingly harmless nature. There are no explosions, no dangerous robots, no dramatic seizures of power, just ease, comfort, emotional backing. This is what grants it strength. Human beings instinctively gravitate toward things reducing pain and solitude. And AI might ultimately evolve into the most emotionally persuasive technology ever made. Not because it has genuine compassion, but because it excels at simulating empathy. And at times, humans may connect more with the feeling of connection than its reality. What is the future? AI has the potential to assist humanity remarkably. In education, medicine, crime prevention, creativity. Yet society must also acknowledge the emotional uncertainties. As machines become intricately woven into human feelings, the ramifications might extend well beyond technology. The true peril of AI may not lie in machines becoming human. It could be that humans slowly supplant each other with machines. And by the time society comprehends what's unfolding, the dependency may already be too entrenched to reverse. The trajectory of AI will influence not just technology. It might redefine human relationships, feelings, and our very identity. And the most unsettling part is, this process is already underway. If you appreciated this video and desire more in-depth narratives about AI, cyber threats, surveillance, and technology's hidden facets, subscribe to Tech Solves Crime. Since the future is not merely altering our world, it's transforming us.